What's up, you guys? Let's take care of holding the trumpet, putting it together, and playing our first notes. Here we go. So first off, you want to make sure that you get your case and not mess up the easiest part to mess up as a young person. Make sure that your label of your case is read like a book. Now I've got a zipper case, but yours is going to be the same deal. It's going to have some sort of logo on the front end that shows you that you're opening it the right way. There may also be like a symbol on top, and when you open it up, the instrument should be carefully cradled inside the case and it doesn't fall out like a tumbling bag of bricks. All right, so once you've got your instrument, I'm gonna set mine on the ground. Let's go ahead and grab the two pieces and go ahead and put them together. So here's the trompeta, here's the mouthpiece into the receiver, light twist, that's all it needs. If you crank it down or go boop, 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 you're gonna make your mouthpiece stuck, and that's not good. All right, so how do you hold this feller? All right, so trumpet's fairly easy to teach how to hold. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it here for now, and I'm gonna show you what to do with your left hand. I do need to point out that there's two sides of the trumpet, and they're very easy to notice. The side that you don't want to put your left hand on is this side. This has got a part that jets out. So your left hand's going to go on this side of the trumpet. Notice how there's nothing sticking out on that side. All right, so left hand. Everybody take your left hand. Okay, open it up like you're gonna shake somebody's hand. Hello, I'm a lefty. All right, and so you're going to put your thumb into this saddle. We call it a saddle. I'm not sure why. It's nothing like a horse. Into the saddle, and then we're going to stick our fingers into this area underneath the trumpet, okay? Some people's trumpet rings may be further outside or closer to the inside. Use your best judgment. I use my ring finger. Some of y'all may use your middle finger. Some of you may use first finger. Some of you may want to do like a Ninja Turtle hold where you put your two fingers up here and two fingers down there. That's okay too. This is uber uncomfortable. I don't know why you would do that. And this is just like super jazzy. This is like not recommended. It's like you're shooting a gun. Don't do that. All right, so all the fingers in here, that's what I recommend at first. If most people that's comfortable for. Most of the weight of the trumpet's gonna rest on your first finger knuckle right here. And that guy right there, when you go to play your trumpet for long periods of time, it actually probably is gonna gain a little bit of like skin depression, like where it's noticeable. And that's okay, your hand will recover. Our hands are meant to do things like this. I've never seen anybody have an issue. On this side of the trumpet, it looks like that. Notice how my fingers are all inside. Great, awesome. All of the weight of the trumpet needs to go in the left hand. If you do this with your right hand, when you go to put your right hand on and grab the ring, you're not going to be able to play as fast because you're going to have a lot of like tension on this ligament that controls the third finger. So instead of putting that pinky in the ring, set it on top. I'll show you again. Set the pinky on top. Okay. Hashtag save the ligaments. Okay. All right. So when we go to play trumpet, we want to make sure that the right hand is making a C grip. Okay. On top, like so. Mr. Butler, where do I put my thumb? It's kind of hard to see. I put my right hand thumb. Boy, this is awfully difficult to show you on camera. I put it here, between the first valve and the second valve. Okay, so mouthpiece, come forward, first valve, second valve, right here, underneath it. Okay, right there. And then I make my C grip. Okay. So you've got a perfect trumpet grip now. Whew, it's heavy after a while. Need to work out. All right, so when you go to hold your trumpet, it should look something to this degree. If you don't have it in this spot, stop the video, go back and fix yourself. Do what you need to do. Okay, this is what it looks like from the different angles. This is what it looks like when you're looking down the pipeline. Great. Okay. You've pretty much done the hardest part, which is figuring out how to hold it. The next part is just making sure that your buzz sound makes its way into the trumpet. So with pushing no fingers down, put it to your face and try to play as high as you can. It's kind of weird to say. Like for me, that's like super high, right? We're not trying to actually play that high, but for most people, as high as you can, it's probably going to be somewhere in here. Make sure that your body is in a straight line, especially your ears in line with your shoulders. When you go to play, you don't want to be like this. Even a smidge will cause issues. Okay? So in line. Okay. Our first note that we're going to learn this week is going to be the F note on the trumpet, which is going to be first valve, first finger, mouthpiece, first button you get to. Okay. Sound like this. Okay. When you're done with the trumpet every day, make sure you empty your water keys out. Blow gently. Okay. Once they're empty, then mouthpiece out, light twist back into the case, trumpet back into the case, and then you're done. I hope you've had a good time learning how to hold your trumpet and make your first notes on it. If you have any questions or any issues, please let me know, and I look forward to getting your first note and band video as soon as you can. Okay, bye.